Welcome to the offering listing page on Zingify. This is where you can manage all your offerings, prioritize them, and ensure they're optimized to reach and engage your audience. Let's walk through the features step by step so you can make the most of this powerful tool. Accessing offerings. To begin, navigate to the Offerings section from the left side menu. Here you can view your offerings in two layouts. Horizontal, ideal for a compact view. Vertical, great for a detailed list-style overview. Want to narrow down your focus? Use the filter options to sort offerings by their status. Published, these are live and available to your clients. Draft, still a work in progress and not visible to clients. Withdrawn, offerings that are no longer active. Organizing offerings. Organizing your offerings has never been easier. Use the drag and drop feature to prioritize them. This allows you to highlight your most important or high-demand offerings by placing them at the top. Managing offerings. Hover over any offering to access the three-dot menu for additional options. Edit offering. Make updates to the offering information, add or revise content, or adjust events associated with the offering. Preview offering. See exactly how your offering will appear to your clients on mobile apps, desktops, and tablets. This ensures your content looks polished and professional on any device. Withdraw your published offering with ease to make necessary updates or if the offering is no longer active. Click Add Clients to seamlessly include clients in your offering and keep everything organized in just a few simple steps. Change access. Switch between public and restricted access modes, provided there are no registered clients for the offering. Cloning offerings. Need to create a similar offering quickly? Use the Clone Offering feature. Cloning duplicates an offering, saving you time when creating a new one based on an existing template. The cloned offering will appear as a draft, ready for you to customize and publish. Adding clients. Adding clients to an offering is simple and flexible. Choose from three options. 1. New client. Register a new client directly from the offering page. 2. Existing client. Add a client who is already registered on your platform. 3. Bulk upload. Add multiple clients in one go using a CSV file. Download the template file provided. Fill in the required details following the predefined format. Click I am ready to upload to register the clients instantly. This bulk upload feature is perfect for onboarding large groups efficiently. Viewing and managing clients. Want to track your clients' progress? Here's how. 1. View the list of registered clients for any offering. 2. Click on a client's name to see detailed insights such as their progress and the percentage of offering content they've completed. This feature ensures you stay updated on how your clients are engaging with your offerings. Deleting offerings. Need to remove an offering permanently? Deletion is only allowed if no clients are registered for the offering. This ensures that no active clients lose access to valuable content. Bringing it all together, the offering listing page is your go-to space for managing, organizing, and optimizing your offerings. Whether it's editing content, tracking client progress, or ensuring your offer presented beautifully, this page puts all the tools you need at your fingertips. Take some time to explore these features today and make your offerings stand out like never before.